Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change the battery in your key fob with a new battery. I personally have a 2022 Honda Accord Sport. What you're gonna want to do is, well, first since I have the cover, I'm gonna have to pull this out. There's like little tab. You're gonna pull it upward if you have the battery this way, and then this key is gonna come out, and you can also open and unlock your car with this. If the battery goes dead, you can still open your car with this. So 2 pieces of plastic. You're gonna put the key fob in between here until it goes down a little bit, or you can just put it like sideways. It really depends, because I do like both ways. So you put it in here and then you just gotta twist a little bit. Okay, see, since it didn't open up all the way. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna lift the cover up, and then here it's gonna be the battery. It's gonna be the CR2032. Carefully take the key out. I mean, not the key, take the battery out. I got the CR2032 Energizer. Yeah, so it's the same thing. You're just gonna put it in here. Okay, and then you do your steps back in reverse. Once the new battery's in, put the cover back on. It should clank. There you go. I'm gonna lock it. You just successfully replaced the battery on your Honda. So if you guys like the content, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.